Hey guys, today Mary is here with another exciting and yummy recipe for you. Today my mom is making chicken chips and chicken fries. So, first of all, we take some chicken. Guys, you should cut the chicken like my mom is cutting. आपको chicken वैसे ही काटना है जैसे मेरी मामा काट रही हैं. Okay? So, now my mom's cutting. It was so good, guys. You should really try this recipe at home. It's very delicious. I've eaten potato chips, but I have never eaten these. When I tasted these were so good. Cutting is done. Now it's time to marinate. First we add 2 spoons cream, 1 spoon black pepper, soya sauce 1 tablespoon, chili sauce 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon salt, 1 spoon oregano, and now let's mix it all up. Mix our ingredients. Now add some chili garlic sauce. It's ready now. Put in fridge for 20 minutes. Before frying, we will add an egg and mix it all up. Mix it all up. Guys, this was so yummy. So yummy. Guys, ये बहुत yummy था. आपको भी ये try करना चाहिए घर में. You should try it at your home. It was so good. I loved it very much. And my brother just loved it. He ate it all up. Now, 1 cup flour, oregano, black pepper, red chilies. Now salt and mix well. You should mix it well like my mommy is. Now coat the chicken. Coat the chicken 1 by 1. Coat the chicken 1 by 1. Now coat all the pieces. 1 by 1. Coating all the pieces. La la la. Guys, you know, I have eaten potato chips, but I never ate these. And when I ate these, they were so good. You should make these at home. Now it's time to fry yummy, delicious chicken chips and fries. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. I love it. Ooh, so bubbly and yummy. Guys, they were so good. Woo, delicious yummy chicken. Yay, yummy delicious chicken chips. Crunchy. They're crunchy, guys. Delicious. Of course, delicious. Yummy, delicious chicken. Now it's done. Looks so good. Yum, yum, yum. If you like my delicious chicken chips, if you like my delicious chicken chips recipe, please share, like, and subscribe to Mary and JoJo. And Mary and JoJo will be back with another delicious, yummy, Yummy, delicious recipe for you guys. This was so good. Bye bye, guys.